Hello. A comment encoding is used to add explanation to the source code to make it more readable. A comment will not be seen by the interpreter and will just be skipped when the program is run. Single-line comments in Python are made using the hash sign. Officially, there are no multi-line comments, but you can use triple quotations. Variables are used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a computer program. There are three major variable types: integers, that are numbers without decimals; floats, that are numbers with decimals; strings, that are used for data values that are made up of ordered sequences of characters. You create a variable by first writing the variable name, then the assignment operator, which is the equals to sign, then the value. The print function outputs whatever is in between the brackets into the command line. You can use an F string to combine variables and text at the same time. We can receive input from the user by calling the input function. The input function always returns a string value. We can define strings using single or double quotes. To define a multi-line string, we surround our string with triple quotes. Specific parts of a string can be accessed using square brackets. Arithmetic operation. Augmented assignment operators. If statements allow for conditional execution of a statement or group of statements based on the value of an expression. Also make sure to indent the statements or it will give you an error. Comparison operators. Logical operators. While loops execute a group of statements as long as the expression is true. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. You can access an item inside a list by typing the list name, then square brackets containing the index of the item you want to access. A tuple is like a list, but the items are unchangeable. So a tuple is ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. We can access it the same way as the list. A dictionary is like a list, but it doesn't allow duplicates. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. We can access it by writing the dictionary name, then the key of the value we want to access, surrounded by square brackets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set items are unordered, unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. You can return values from the function using the return statement. When an error occurs, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. The else block lets you execute code when there is no error. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.